Hey, what's up guys? This is Poi from Poi Reviews. And as you can see, another mystery box from Xiaomi.
Which means that inside there should be a cool new product.
Whoa, they sent to me the Xiaomi 12 Lite. In the size they only include the model name, and on the bottom you can see I received a 6GB RAM and 120GB for memory. Let's check what is inside.
Here's the actual phone. Now, let's read the challenge.
Hey Sim, how are you? Here comes the challenge. A Tanana Day with Xiaomi 12 Lite.
Looks like I have the freedom to write down whatever I want. Vacation. My plan is to take a vacation day in order to show you the camera setup.
Let's go! It is very lightweight, slim, and so stylish. This phone has a flat design with rounded corners. The color of the unit I have is satisfying. It has a gradient effect and it also matte finish.
Depending how the light reflects on the back, the color will change. This gradient color gives the impression of a sunset. I really love this. And one more thing, this back have a matte finish, so you can touch, you can rub your fingers, and you can see no fingerprint at all. As you can see, it's only have 172.7 grams. It's really featherweight.
If you plan or decide to do mobile vlogging, Xiaomi 12 Lite is here for you since it has a high-definition 32-megapixel front camera that can provide a spectacular quality both in photos and videos. The color is very nice, it has a good dynamic range, and the sharpness of the clip is very much visible.
A true-to-life bokeh also includes Auto HDR, enabling high-quality selfies with refined clarity.
Well, selfie camera test. That's a good opportunity to also try out the microphone. A bit windy, and if my face looks a bit reddish, let's call it miscalculations. So, question is, how much do you like the front selfie camera?
For cameras, we can count with 108 megapixels main camera. It's a Samsung HM2 sensor with 9-in-1 super megapixels. It will combine 9 pixels to make 1 big pixels and make your photos incredible with a lot of details. Then 8 megapixels ultra wide and 2 megapixels for macro.
What you are seeing right now is from the studio level 108 megapixel main camera of the Xiaomi 12 Lite. It is so detailed and vibrant.
Very crisp, well saturated, correctly exposed. Ultra-wide shooter is also nice. It can fit a lot more into the frame and distortions are tolerable. The last image sensor to check from the back is for macro photography. Results are far from ideal, and yeah, Xiaomi could have easily skipped this lens in favor of optical image stabilization, for instance. Specially developed night photo mode can do miracles. There also are a number of creative modes like long exposure, vlog mode, video editor. This is the smartphone for Xiaomi's 12th series with the best battery endurance. Screen on-time achievements are fantastic considering the size of the battery. 5 hours screen on-time are easy to get, and combined with the 67-watt charging, there are a whole lot of additional features present. Most current connectivity features, which include Wi-Fi 6, the transfer speeds have been excellent, so was the mobile network coverage. Tested the 5G speeds, they were on par with the provided speeds in my area. Luckily, here we won't see any ads, or at least I didn't. The operating system has become a lot more responsive, has less clutter, improved animations, and added some new customizations on top of the many that were anyway in place. And it would be great to hear from you. What do you think about the Xiaomi 12 Lite?
Xiaomi.